Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to install this cheese grater. I'm going to show you guys how to put this on. First thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and disassemble your AK. Make sure that it's clear, no ammo inside the gun. Just so you guys know there's nothing in there, so safety is number one priority. There's two ways you guys can do it. Get a pair of gloves and get a wrench. Normally it's like 3/4 of an inch, but I like to use this one because it's adjustable one. You can do it by hand like that, but it is kind of hard doing it by hand, so I want to show you guys the vise way by using the vise. Back. Okay guys, we're gonna go in and use the vise. Now you can set it up like that and remove it, or personally what I like to do is I like to set it up sideways, this rag, and just twist it right off. Twist this old piece of wood off. So on the cheese grater, there's going to be a skinnier side and a fatter side. So just kind of like on your gas block, going to be the fatter one, and that's going to be the skinnier one. So going back to the trick, what I was saying is, you guys are going to want to bend it, form it, and see if it drops in there nice. See, well, mine, when I first got it, it was like spread open. The metal was kind of like fat, and it was really hard to drop in there. So I just started bending it down, squeezing it right here, you know. It's pretty strong steel, so you're not gonna mess it up or anything. But you gotta bend it to form it. And okay, so if you guys can see right here, the way I bent it, it literally just drops in nice and freely, just like that. Now another trick is put a little WD-40 on the edge right here. Put a little WD-40 on the edge, so it's gonna slide nice and easy for the install. Okay, spray a little WD-40 right here. It's got a little WD-40 on the edge, right? See that? Just rub a little bit WD-40 on the edge right here, just like that. Okay, because these things are kind of a pain in the ass. So I found the trick. Go ahead and get your good pair of gloves. This is my glove right here, and just twist that sucker on. I really don't think it matters which way you go, as you can see. That's how it's gonna look. Assemble the whole gun back together and you're good to go.